end up somewhere like this by accident. This is not a starter home, and it's not for beginners. This is something you earn. A home where hard work and perseverance turn into freedom and privacy. Over 10 private acres, surrounded by peace and quiet. A 1,200-foot driveway that makes it clear you've arrived somewhere different. 2 streams cutting through the land. Pastures, trails, space to expand, or space to leave exactly as it is. Inside, everything has a purpose. A true main level layout. Open, connected living spaces. Enjoy mornings on the deck with the sun coming up. Evenings by the fire as it drops behind the trees. Room for animals, room for family. Room for whatever comes next. And at a certain point, freedom matters more. Privacy matters more. And how you live matters more than anything else. And when you get here, you realize this was never something you were supposed to find. It's something you earn.